Well, welcome back, everyone. An indecisive start to the week indeed. We've got markets on a daily candlestick chart using a slew of our powerful tools, inclusive of Rob Hoffman, 33-time international and domestic trading champions tools, the ITP, the TRP, the Triple S made by me, and of course the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit. We are still in a sell signal state in stage 2 of the CTP sell signal sequence. However, we're in a counter trend bounce. This counter trend bounce is starting to weaken, and we are evidencing that by looking lower than the daily time frame into a 4-hour chart. The 4-hour time frame is telling us that the buy signal state that it was attempting to continue on, well, guess what? It was unable to maintain it into the end of the day. We've got 2 bars in a row where we have the champion cross and champion trend buy signal state in place. However, as we move into the end of the day, after hours here at 4:04 p.m. Eastern Time, we are not seeing that signal. This leaves me with a very simple insight for you, and that insight is the buy signal state in this counter trend bounce weakening supports the primary direction from the daily chart, which does continue to maintain downside risk, even though we've made it down to and below targets 2s on the TRP toolkit. Last Monday, we had that big move down. We are still susceptible to downside risk below 53.50 on the S&P E-minis, which is about $1.70 lower than where we are right now on the SPY in after hours. That takes us down roughly to $531. Below that area, especially below $530 flat, there is likely more downside risk to be had. Stay safe out there below that level. Volatility long may be interesting. Consult your registered advisor before taking on any trades. However, if the market receives cooler than expected inflation data, PPI data tomorrow, CPI data on Wednesday, well, over the course of the next 2 days, the potential to break out on cooler inflation data without any real policy change is a reality. And that's something that can play out. But the reality of consumption coming in lower than expected, which is what I'm looking for this Thursday, may indeed bring things back down. Nonetheless, we don't want to guess. We want to see the signal and trade what we see. We're in a sell signal state on a daily chart. Doing bullish long side swings here becomes problematic. The 4-hour chart is furthering that insight by having a TRP sell and losing that stage 1, that champion trend and champion cross, and furthermore being in technical damage, which you can see in full bloom over here on the 1-hour chart. As I look at the course of this week and the events of the week, there is a fair chance that we get a bounce up over the course of Tuesday and Wednesday. However, I need to see it start to be able to participate, and I want to be very careful into Thursday morning, where we get U.S. retail sales, and that can change the picture dramatically. I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome to all of the new TRP students that joined us last Saturday and, of course, Wednesday last week. We are so happy to have you on this journey with us. Looking forward to helping everyone continue to grow and get to where they want in their trading acumen and career. Have a wonderful trading day. Big shout out from the team behind us, and looking forward to seeing you in videos just like these. Bye for now, all.